So hello everyone, welcome back. This is your class number 31 and this class is going to be very interesting because in this class we will make a really good intro.
My name is Tarun. Video editing has changed my life and it can change yours too. You know, Tarun speaks quality, quantity.
So in this class we will recreate this intro animation by Magnet Media.
Coca-Cola spend endless billions on advertising every year, but will never once try to sell you on their products. They sell an idea, happiness, harmony, togetherness. But some would say it's a distraction from the disturbing truth. There are a lot of serious accusations against the company that they've caused disease, droughts, exploitation, and much worse. So buckle up. We're going on a journey through Coke's incredible history, spanning 3 different centuries. We'll be examining how Coca-Cola really became one of the most recognized brands ever, and at what cost. Because one thing is for sure, you don't build an empire selling sugar water by telling people the truth.
So this Coca-Cola intro animation by Magnet Media, we will try to replicate this animation in After Effects. So let's jump into After Effects. So here we are in After Effects. Let's just first create a composition. Coca-Cola intro Magnet Media. ठीक है, all good. So I already downloaded this intro. I'll drag it here. And let's just first watch this intro.
Coca-Cola spend endless billions on advertising every year, but will never once try to sell you on their products. They sell an idea, happiness. Coca-Cola spend endless billions on advertising every year, but will never once try to sell you on their products. They sell.
So to create this intro, first we need this red background. Okay, we need this red background. So how can we create this red background? First, I'll make a new solid, a red solid. Okay. Now you can see there is so much noise here. So what I'll do, I'll go to effects and presets. And there is an effect called fractal noise, F-R-A-C-T, fractal noise. If I put it here, so as I put the effect on this layer, everything turned into white and black. So the effects like fractal noise, these effects work on alpha, means white and black. Okay, so it automatically turned the layer into white and black. But these effects have something called blending modes. Okay. So we want this black shade. So what we'll do, we'll go to multiply. As you know, multiply works on shadows. So it will show shadows only, dark part only. Okay. Now it is showing this dark part only. This is too much. So I'm decreasing the opacity. Let's make it 50. Okay, now there are so many fractal type options. You can see. So just check them. I think this subscale is suiting nice on our video. Okay, so we'll keep this subscale. Okay, and we can decrease the contrast. Now this is still, this noise is still, it's not moving. Okay. But we want it to move. So what we'll do, so this evolution property here, I'll click on this stopwatch and add a keyframe. So as I clicked on stopwatch, the keyframe is added here. So if I press U, so as you know, After Effects has so many properties in layer. This effect, then transform, so much. So you don't always need to go there and click on arrows and arrows and arrows. If you want to see only those properties on which you added keyframes, what you can do, you can simply press U and it will show you the properties where keyframe is added. Okay, so I am adding this keyframe to this place and changing evolution this much. Okay. So now it is moving. Okay, but if we watch this, at this center part there is not so much noise. So what we can do, we can duplicate this layer and at this part let's delete this fractal noise, and in center part we'll add a mask. Okay, Eclipse tool, I am adding this mask. Okay, and I'll go to mask and feather. What is shortcut for feather? If you press F, then mask feather property will open, and we'll increase this feather like this. Now you can see we have, so there is no noise in the middle, and we can increase it. Okay. Now if you see here, we can increase this opacity a little bit. Now if you see, there is these two black bars over here. Okay, and to add those black bars, either you can add new solid, black solid. Okay, and you can do this. You can add this mask and invert it. So there is one more way to make those black bars. Okay, you need to create a new solid and there is an effect called CC Jaw. If you add this effect, here is a property called completion. If you change it, this is opening like this, but we don't want these spikes. So to delete those spikes, we need to change its height to 0. See, it was like this. We need to change its height to 0. Okay, and if we change its completion to around 80, so it is giving us same black bars. So now we are done with those black bars. We can change its name to black BARS. Change its name to background glow. Okay. We can also add glow on this layer. We can add glow on this layer and change its transparency to 70 and increase its transparency. Now it's looking even better. ठीक है. So now we are done with background and those black bars. Now let's see what's next. So we need this Coca-Cola logo first. We'll go to Google and type Coca-Cola logo. Coca-Cola logo PNG. So now I downloaded the Coca-Cola logo from Google. Here you can see it's not visible. It was not visible because of the red color. Okay. So here this box over here, if you click on this box, only this layer will be visible. All the others layer will be hidden. Okay. So let's change its color to white. You can add this effect fill, and whatever color you choose, it will change its color. Okay. Now the problem is we need the logo to be like this, but the logo is, our logo is solid. We do not have outline. So to add outline, there is something called auto trace. If I click on auto trace and let these settings as default and click OK. Now what this effect did is it created masks on the edges of this image. Okay, see, it had created 1, 2, 3, 13 masks. So here we have this image converted to mask. Okay. Now we have mask on this image on the outline. If I search for an effect called stroke and drag it on this layer, so currently it is selected to mask 1 only. We'll change it to all masks. Color we need white. Okay. Now we can change this fill color. So when I added this stroke, it had created a stroke on the outline. Okay. According to the mask. If I change it to transparent, then it will be like this. We can also change some properties like brush hardness. We need to be 100, and there is some gaps here, so we need to change spacing to 0. Okay. We can change the brush size to 1. Okay. Now let's do. Now we have this Coca-Cola logo outline. Change its name to Coca-Cola outline. Okay. Now we need solid also. So let's duplicate it and delete this stroke and let this fill. Now we have this Coca-Cola solid. Okay. Let's parent it to Coca-Cola outline so that if we change outline, then it will also affect solid logo. Okay. So now we have logos outline also. Okay, so now we want this wave wala transition. So this is coming from this frame where only this logo outline is visible. Then the background and solid logo is coming with a wave transition. Now how can we create this wave transition? We can use that CC Joe effect. Okay. So what we can do, we can drag this solid layer beyond outline layer and add a black solid under this. So now we have this same thing as in the original intro. Okay. Now what we need to do, we need to simply transition out this black solid by wave transition. ठीक है, so for wave transition we can use CC Joe and ठीक है, let's change it from spikes to wave and height ठीक है, we can change its height to 1.3 and we can move its center to this point. Or this point. Now let's check this effect again. So it is coming in 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 1 2. So after every 2 frames it is coming upside. ठीक है, so I added this here and let's see how much time it is taking. So at this point it is completely ठीक है. So what we can do after 2 frame, after 1 2 1 2 1 2. So after every 2 frames I am adding a keyframe. ठीक है, now ठीक है, now it is coming like this, but we want it to come like this. We don't want it to move every frame, we want it to move only after 2 frames. What we can do, right click, toggle hold keyframe. So now it is looking like this. ठीक है, so we made the exact effect like this. Here on this logo you can see this shadow, so to create this shadow, and also there is some glow over here. ठीक है, so for this what we can do, we can add glow and we can add drop shadow. Okay, so we have now this nice glow and shadow. Now what we need to create, we need to create these ribbons like lines. Okay, so for these lines what we can do is we can create a mask, we can create a shape, ठीक है, like this. Okay, so here we created this shape and we'll change this fill to no fill. Okay, so now it is only a line. Now we'll add stroke to this line. Okay, add stroke. Okay, change its color to white. So I created this shape, this line, and I added it stroke to it. Okay, let's create even more. Okay, now if I go in this shapes property, there's this thing add, and if I click on this trim path, then what I can do, I can change this start thing and change this add thing. Okay, so let's keep it this start to 0. We want the animation to start from here. Okay, so at this point let's keep this start property to 0, and after at this point, we'll make it to 100. Okay, so now if you check this, so now it is going like this. Now make this thing to end also. Okay, in end we want this to start from 0. And at this point we'll make it 100. Okay, ठीक है. So what trim path does is, it has start point and end point, and if we play with this start point, it will increase or decrease its length from this side, and if we play with end point, it will increase or decrease its length with the other side. ठीक है, but now we want this to be like this wavy kind of. ठीक है, so in this shape stroke property, there is this thing called taper. So in taper we have this start length thing. If I change it to like this, and we have this, and we have this end length thing, and if I change it to 50 again, so now it is looking like this. If I change it to 100 and change this to 100, now it is looking like this. So we can increase this stroke size. Okay, now it's looking like this. At this point it is not moving. So at this point ठीक है। In this it is starting from and it is ending here. ठीक है, तो in this also we'll start from here and end it here. ठीक है, let's save it. Now we want this same wave to bottom also. Let's duplicate this ribbon top. ठीक है, let's duplicate this and go to transform and flip vertical. ठीक है, now if you watch this and flip horizontal. ठीक है, it's looking like that sort of. ठीक है, so this ribbon also has this glow and shadow effect. ठीक है, so what we need to do for this, we just need to go to this Coca-Cola solid and copy this glow and shadow effect and paste it here. Simple. ठीक है, so now we made first 2-3 seconds of animation. After this point, what we need to do is we need to add these dollar bills. From this point we need to transition out this Coca-Cola with same wave effect. So what we did for wave effect, we'll go to solid and CC jaw. We can delete these masks. We don't need mask in this layer. ठीक है, so CC jaw and not spikes, we need waves. One. Change its center to this point and select completion from here and at this point. ठीक है, so we forgot to easy is these keyframes, so let's just select them and press F9. ठीक है, so here at what point we need, so on this frame it should be disappeared. ठीक है, so let's make its height 2. ठीक है, F9. Let's check this again. ठीक है, so it's again coming in 2 frames, so let's add this 1 2. 1 2 1 2, after 2 frames again, after 2 frames, after 2 frames. After 2 frames, after 2 frames again. So I added these keyframes after 2 frames, and we again need to select them all and toggle hold keyframe. So what happens when we use toggle hold keyframe? It will come like this. We need to copy this CCGO effect and paste it on outline. Now it is going like this. ठीक है. Now let's watch it again. So at this point the dollar bills are coming. One, two, three, four, and text is changing. So we need to add these dollar bills. So let's go to Google and search for dollar PNG. Okay, so we can download this. So I downloaded this dollar bill PNG. ठीक है. Let's create a new composition. Dollar bill. ठीक है. Let's add this dollar bill here. So let's do 20. And rotate it to 90. ठीक है, and let's keep it. Okay, let's keep it like this. At this place and duplicate it. Let's rotate it and rotate it to 85. ठीक है. Let's duplicate this, add it here. ठीक है, we need to rotate it more. ठीक है, 80, 100. Control D, add it here, rotate it to 110. ठीक है. Now these dollar bills are black and white. So we'll directly black and white them in adjustment layer. Let's duplicate them, and so here is something called null object. If I create this null object, what this null object does is this null object does not have any property. This does not have any property of its own. It's like adjustment layer, but adjustment layer works on effects only. If you add any effect like color grade, if you do color grading on adjustment layer, it will affect all the layers beyond it. But null object does not work on effects, it works on transformation. If you add transformations, if you change transform properties of adjustment layer, then it won't affect the layers below. But if you change transform properties of null object, then it will change the layers below it. So if I parent all these 4 layers to this null object and rotate this null object to 90 degree, 180 degree, then it will rotate them all. ठीक है. Now what we need to do here is we need to slide them in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. ठीक है. In 15 frames we need to slide them in. So what we can do is we can create this null object for these 4 layers. Null object ठीक है. And at this points 1 2 3 4 5 move it out of the frame, press F9, ठीक है. So these are coming like this. So let's do the same thing for these dollar bills also. ठीक है. You reposition. Let's move them out like this. F9. Graph. ठीक है. So these are coming like this. Nice. So let's add this dollar bill here. Move these black bars to here. We need to make them black and white, so add new adjustment layer and simply add tint effect. So by adding tint effect, it made them black and white. Now these bills are looking like this. ठीक है. We can also add contrast. ठीक है. If you see this, then these knots are moving like this. ठीक है. So we also need to move these bills. So for this, what we can do, rotation. ठीक है. rotation 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and rotate it to 115. Okay, 105 and again after 10 frames make it 1110. ठीक है. Now on this layer rotate it from 80 to 85. Okay, on this layer rotate it from 100 to 105 and then again to 100. Okay, we need to so now these nodes are rotating. ठीक है, so we need to rotate all the other nodes like this. So let's do it quickly. ठीक है, at this point 80 वाले को 75 F9. Let's do this to the other layers also. Rotation at this point. Or we can directly copy paste it to other layers. ठीक है, copy. We should have done this before. And let's copy paste them again to make it loop. ठीक है, we don't need this. ठीक है, now here on these dollar bills we also need to add drop shadow. ठीक है, now it's looking good. So now we made 5 seconds of this animation in this class, and that is it for today's class. And your assignment is to make this animation again. ठीक है, I know there is so many things missing in this animation, There is so much difference in both of these animation. We will fill all those gaps in next class. ठीक है, but now you need to replicate this 5 seconds animation. ठीक है, these all the assets that I used in this project are freely available on Google or YouTube. ठीक है, so that is it for today's class. I'll meet you in next class. You need to complete this assignment. Chalo, bye.